Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of household essentials with a product that promises to keep your windows and mirrors sparkling clean. I'm excited to introduce you to what many consider the best in its class, the Sprayway glass cleaner. If you're like me, achieving streak-free shine on glass surfaces can be quite the challenge. But fear not, because Sprayway comes to the rescue with its specially formulated glass cleaner. Let's break down why this product has garnered so much praise. First off, what sets Sprayway apart is its unique foaming action. Unlike traditional sprays that might run or drip, Sprayway's foam clings to vertical surfaces, ensuring maximum coverage without the hassle of constant reapplication. Here's how easy it is to use. Simply spray on the surface and wipe clean with a microfiber cloth. Whether it's windows, mirrors, or even your car windshield, this cleaner does the job efficiently and effectively. Another standout feature is its ammonia-free formula, which means it's safe to use on tinted windows and won't leave any unpleasant odors behind. Perfect for households with pets or young children. While some products might struggle with leaving streaks or requiring multiple applications, Sprayway delivers consistent results, making it a favorite among homeowners and automotive enthusiasts alike. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable glass cleaner that combines efficiency with ease of use, look no further than Sprayway. Whether you're maintaining your home or keeping your car windows crystal clear, this product gets the job done. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and product recommendations. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.